Walking is one of the most natural movements we have. It gives us independence, lets us enjoy the world around us, and helps our body stay active as we age. But after 60, many people begin to notice subtle changes in the way they walk. Steps may feel a little shorter. The body may feel slightly less steady. The mind may become more aware of small changes in the environment. None of this means something is wrong. It simply means your body is asking you to move with a little more intention. Walking gently, with awareness and softness, supports both your confidence and your comfort. Today we will explore 6 walking habits that help older adults move with greater steadiness, ease, and calm. These habits require no equipment, no special shoes, and no physical strain. They are simple adjustments that help your whole body work in harmony. Let us begin. Walking habit 1. Lifting your gaze and softening your posture. Many adults naturally look down when walking. It feels safer because it lets you see the ground in front of you. But when your head stays down too long, your shoulders round, your upper back curves, and your chest tightens. This posture shifts your weight forward, which can make walking feel less steady. A helpful habit is to lift your gaze while keeping your neck relaxed. You do not have to look straight ahead all the time. Simply raise your eyes enough to see several steps in front of you rather than focusing directly on your feet. Try practicing this at home. Walk slowly across your living room or kitchen. Keep your head level, your chin relaxed, and your shoulders soft. Let your eyes lead your movement, not your neck. With time, your body begins to feel lighter, your steps feel smoother, your breathing deepens. Walking becomes less tense and more natural. Walking habit 2. Allowing your arms to move with your steps. Your arms play a surprisingly important role in helping your body stay balanced. When you walk, your arms naturally swing opposite your legs. This creates rhythm, keeps your shoulders relaxed, and helps your whole body feel more connected. As we age, many people stop swinging their arms. This may happen because of shoulder stiffness, hesitation, or simply habit. But still, arms make walking feel heavier. To practice gentle arm swing, stand in a safe space. Lift one knee slightly and let the opposite arm move forward. Switch sides. Keep the movement relaxed, not forced. Next time you walk, whether indoors or outdoors, allow your elbows to remain slightly bent and your hands to move softly at your sides. You do not need large motions. A small, easy swing brings balance back into your walking rhythm. Walking habit 3. Using a smooth heel-to-toe stepping pattern. Your feet carry you through your entire life. They support you through thousands of steps each day. But the way you place your feet on the ground affects the stability of every step. Many older adults begin walking with their whole foot landing flat or even with their toes landing first. This may feel easier, especially when your joints feel stiff, but it reduces the natural rolling movement your foot is designed for. Try practicing heel-to-toe stepping. Take a slow step forward and notice your heel touching the ground first. Then allow the rest of your foot to roll gently forward until your toes lift for the next step. You can practice this at home on a soft surface like a rug or carpet. Move slowly and focus on the smooth transition. You do not need to exaggerate it. Even a small improvement helps your stride feel more stable. This gentle rolling pattern supports your joints, keeps your walking rhythm steady, and encourages your legs to work together in harmony. Walking habit 4. Taking smaller, more controlled steps. You may have taken longer strides when you were younger, but as we age, smaller steps often feel steadier and more comfortable. Shorter steps help keep your center of gravity stable. They also reduce tension in your knees, hips, and lower back. Smaller steps do not mean shuffling. They simply mean moving your foot forward in a comfortable, easy range. Try walking across a room using slightly shorter steps than usual. Notice how your body feels more centered. You may find that your feet lift more naturally and your walking rhythm becomes smoother. This habit is especially helpful on uneven surfaces or in busy environments. Smaller steps give you more control and help your body respond calmly to small changes under your feet. Walking habit 5. Gentle core awareness for better stability. Balance begins in the center of your body, not in your feet. Your abdominal and lower back muscles quietly support every step you take. When these muscles stay gently engaged, your walking becomes steadier, even when your legs feel tired. Core strengthening for older adults does not require intense workouts. Even small moments of gentle activation help. Here are 2 simple options. Stand near a countertop. Lift one foot an inch off the floor and hold for a few seconds. Switch sides. Or while standing still, gently pull your belly inward just enough to feel your stomach tighten. Hold for a few seconds, then relax. These small, easy movements help support your posture and reduce wobbling. With time, your steps feel more grounded and your confidence grows. Walking habit 6. Becoming aware of transitions under your feet. Most changes in walking comfort do not happen on level ground. They happen during transitions. Moving from carpet to tile, from a bright room into a dim hallway, from grass onto pavement, from a dry surface to a shiny one. These small changes can surprise your feet and eyes. A simple habit is to pause briefly before stepping onto a new surface. Look gently ahead, notice the texture, lighting, or elevation. This moment of awareness helps your body prepare. You can also quietly name the surface in your mind as you move across it. Carpet, step down, tile, wood. This helps your mind and body stay connected. Your goal is not to walk slowly all day. It is to walk with awareness during moments of transition. This soft attention helps you stay steady wherever you go. A gentle, supportive moment. As you practice these habits, remember that improvement does not happen overnight. Your body learns slowly and kindly. Each small adjustment becomes easier with time. Some days you may feel steady, other days you may feel tired or hesitant. This is normal. What matters is that you keep showing up for your body. Keep noticing how you move. Keep making small adjustments that bring comfort. Walking after 60 is not about perfection. It is about connection. A connection between your steps and your breath, between your posture and your confidence, between your awareness and your independence. A calming closing message. Your steps tell the story of your life. They carry your strength, your memories, and your resilience. Even if your pace has changed, your ability to walk through the world is still a gift. Lift your head softly, relax your shoulders, let your arms move naturally. Take gentle steps that feel safe for your body. Notice the floor beneath you and the rhythm within you. You deserve to move with confidence. You deserve to feel steady, and your body appreciates every small act of care you offer it. Thank you for taking this time today to listen to your body. May your steps feel lighter, may your breath feel smoother, and may your day unfold with calm and comfort.